Today you're going to be learning more about an authentic 138 VIN true SS big block Chevelle. This one's been tastefully restomodded. We'll share a bit more about those parts. Let's jump right into this car, get you familiar with its condition. This car has benefited from a complete restoration. While it wasn't done yesterday, it still shows so dang well. The bright work, you know, I'm talking about the chrome, the trim around the hood, all standing tall, not dented up, looking good. We look at that blacked out SS grille. I do see a couple small spots where the paint's been chipped off. That is regular wear and tear. It's good when you get out and use these cars. Hood release just under the bumper. Lifts off smoothly, and alakazam. We've got a bit of an upgrade here. The factory 396 is gone, and we've got a 454 cubic inch big block in here today. Some great equipment. It's got a dual master with power brakes. We've got power steering downstairs. Nice chromed alternator, vintage AC, modern air conditioning. It's got a Brawler 750 up on top of that aluminum intake. Speaking of aluminum, we've got this nice upgraded radiator, help keeping this thing cool as you're rolling. On the firewall, you notice that little billet canister. That is the reservoir for the hydraulic clutch. It's a little hint at what we got for a transmission. As we roll down the side of this car, got the wheel arch moldings looking good, our 396 turbojet badge looking smooth with the flags. We're riding on BFG Radial T tires. The white wall's out looking good. Chrome 15-inch rallies with the correct caps. This is a sharp looking car. Gaps are good. The paint is glossy everywhere you look. Looks like newer mirrors. We got nice new seals on our quarter windows. Bright work around the window itself. Not dented up, and has a hell of a polish on it. Quarters are nice and straight. I don't see any waves as I look down them. Super Sport badging standing tall. The chrome bumper is in great shape. It has the integrated reverse lights and our fuel fill. Got a blacked out tail panel. Smooth action on the deck lid. And you see they've dynamatted every inch of this trunk compartment. It does have a mat in here. And to give you a quick look inside of here, we've got paperwork for a whole bunch of work done to this car. Got a full-size spare with the jack and the lug wrench. Deck lid closes up well and fits in the quarters quite nicely. Going down the passenger side. Again, same straight, sharp-looking body. Doors are gapped up wonderfully. Again, the glass and the rubbers are looking great. Both driver and passenger mirrors are clean. Got the chrome wipers. Bright work around that windscreen is all held in tight. It's a sharp car. Let's check out the inside. All right, very happy with the way these doors open. The door edges are nice and clean. The door cards look to be new. We got some integrated Jensen speakers in there, almost looking factory. Got a nicely recovered bench. We got the Fisher belt buckles for all. And as we hop in here, we've got this gorgeous 3-spoke SS wheel framing the factory appearing instruments. However, they're actually by Dakota Digital. That's too cool. There's 1,051 miles on the clock. Downstairs we have some auxiliary gauges for our amp meter, oil pressure, and coolant temp. We've got a factory fitting but upgraded AM, FM, and cassette radio there. We have our AC controls down here in the factory location. We've got a fader for that radio just below. The dash pad itself looks great. All the bright work on the dash is nice and clean and looks to be new. Our glove box has been snubbed down a little bit, so we have room for the modern blend box for this AC system. I almost forgot to mention, we've got a lovely Tremec 5-speed in this thing nowadays. Checking out the rear, seat cover looks to be in great condition. We have lap belts for both rear passengers. On the armrest, we have an integrated ashtray, rear window cranks, inner cards, sail panels, rear window seal and headliner. Everything looks tight, nice and clean. I do like the bright work you get inside the cabin around these window frames. And you notice too, the dome lights working. And we got a couple of visors up here with a new rear view mirror. How about that? not bad. There's the 2 door speakers and 2 in the package tray. Everything is Jensen. Turn indicators cancel as they should. Gearbox feels like butter. Just easily glides into the gears. And this factory looking gauge set. I mean, I keep thinking it's stock until I see all these nice lights and everything's bright and new looking. The tack has a little wonder bar. Super cool. And while we have gauges for our amp meter, our coolant temp, and our oil pressure up here, they're redundant downstairs, but it never hurts to be sure in case one bows out someday. You can get her home with confidence. Alignment seems really sharp. Car is very comfortable. And this new Tremec gearbox goes back down through the gears just as easily. Damn. Don't sleep on this 454. She's got get up. All right. Let's try our AC controls down here. So the blower motor has 3 speeds and it's working on all of them. It certainly feels cold coming out of these vents. It's probably 50 degrees here today. Of course, the guys at the shop will make sure that air is 100%, but I think it's good as it sits right now. Man, this thing feels great. No hesitation through the RPM range. We're getting up to the speed limit in a hurry. Very fun. Everything feels nice and tight into this turn. It's just a good one right here. This thing sure gets it. If you want to know anything more about it, drop us a line at 248-714-2110 or hit our email. It's inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. We'd be happy to answer any questions you have, tell you more about the car, how we can help get it to your door, financing maybe. We got all the answers. And if you want to see close-ups of any angle of this car, pictures underneath it, pictures inside of it, close-ups of that documentation, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. That will take you over to the full listing on our website where we put out 100+ pictures and a lot of good info. Thank you for watching and checking out the channel. We will see you guys next time. Give us a like and a subscribe if you enjoyed. We appreciate it.